In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your trading account to a free journal online where you can easily journal your trade and you can see all your entries. You can see the graph of how your account is growing, and through that you can know if you are making profit or if you are trading the right way. So this is a free journaling app and also a free journaling website. So I am going to show you how to do all of those things in this video. First, I want to show you two of the accounts that I am growing, small accounts that I am growing. So there's one that is $12, so I will click on it. And then there's another one that is $500. I'll also click on it. Now in this video, for demonstration purpose, I am going to show you how to link your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 accounts to this free journal. So I will be using a $50 account. Now the essence of growing these accounts is that many people, especially beginners, they really don't believe in themselves. So anytime they deposit a very small amount, they think it has to go, which means you have to blow the account, but that's not it. I am starting with $12. I will show you, if something is shown with $12, many may think as if maybe it's by luck that you got there. So I am going to show you with this. Currently, I'm growing this $12 account to $10,000. And this will happen before December of this year, 2025. And then in order not to make it look as if it is luck, but to know that anytime you follow the correct way of trading, you have the right strategy, you use the correct risk amount, and you have the right trading psychology, and you follow all of these things strictly, you will surely grow these accounts. So in order not to make it to look as if it is a luck that you did with $12, I'm doing it with $50, I'm doing it with $500. If you see that all of these three accounts, they reach $10,000 before December, then you should know that it's not luck. If it was luck, then you can try it on one, but then for the next two again to happen, that one will not be by luck. It's skill. So you will see all of these things before December. If you followed the video, the links to all of these accounts, the $12, the $500, and the $50 account, I am going to put it in the description box of this video. You can click it, you see it publicly how the account is growing. Now, let me warn you ahead of time. This website will only update whatever you have done. They do it once a day. Sometimes it takes even 2 days before they update because it is free. So whatever trades that I take on Monday, you will see it on Tuesday, or it may even be Wednesday before they update it. So you can keep track of this account. If you click on it, you can come back after 3 or 4 days again, or after the week finishes, to see what was made on those accounts. Each and every week, you can track the growth and you will see for yourself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your own trading account to this particular website in order for you to track your own performance as well. So this is a free journaling website that you can use and you will track your own growth. So anytime you've ever taken a trade, from the very first trade that you took on your trading account, whatever type of broker you are using, you can connect it to this free website and you can see your performance here. So the website is MyFxBook, as you can see it here. So I'm going to show you how to connect your MyFxBook to either your MT5 or MT4 account. Whatever type of broker you're using, you can still connect it. Now, this $12 account is on Xness, whereas the $500 account is on, this is a $500 account. That one is on Bybit. And then the $50 account is on HFM broker. So you can see 3 different brokers, and all of them, I am connecting them for you. So to show you that it's not about the broker, it's not about the leverage, because the leverage on this particular Xness account is 1 to 2,000, whereas the leverage on the $500 account is 1 to 500. So I'm going to use the $50 account to show you how to connect your own as well. So just head over to myfxbook.com. This is the website, myfxbook.com. I am going to put the link to the website in the description box as well. So when you click, it will just bring you to the MyFxBook website over here. So once you are there, you need to register with them. It's a free email registration. You just need your email and then you just register with them. It's for free. Okay, so you just sign in or sign up depending on if you have an account with them already. If you have an account, simply sign in. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up with them. It's just using your email. Okay, so I am logged in. So you can see this is my username over here. I am logged in already. If you are logged in, just simply come to so let's just start from the home to show you, for those that don't even, like when you just come for the first time, what you will be seeing. So it will just look the way you are seeing it, like this. Okay, it will just look like this. So what you need to do is, you can see even these are all the accounts that I'm managing. This one has over 300% gain already. I started this one beginning of January, whereas for this particular one, I think 1 week ago, some few days ago, even though I used the account like just to show a video on how to start Forex trading on Bybit. So after that, I made the withdrawal and then I started trading fully after like a week. So this money was made just a week plus few days. Okay. When you are at the homepage of the website, go to portfolios. Now make sure that you have registered with them, you have signed up first before you can begin to see this portfolio aspect where you can add your account. Because even if you click add account and you have not signed up, you are going to be required to sign up first. So I have 2 of these accounts under my portfolio. I'm going to add another one now. Okay, so click on the add account. So once you click on the add account, you scroll and allow it to load. And don't worry, after the video, I'm going to show you the performance of the $500 account and also the $12 account. You see the graph, you see the trades taking, the losses, the profits, you see everything. Even goals, you can set goals like what target do you want to meet for a month, for a year. You will see all your performances there. And you can decide to make it private or you make it public so others can see it. If they have the link, no one will have access to your account, whether to make withdrawals or to take a trade. It's just for viewing only. So you can share it with investors to see how you trade. If they're willing, that's like your performances. Okay, they can see it. You can share it with your friends to see it. And also you can share it with your group if you have any, just to encourage them in order to maintain a good trading plan, to maintain a good risk management, and to maintain good trading psychology. Because many people, if they don't see that these things can be done, they don't believe it. So they just take trades anyhow. And because of that, they don't have profits. They are not profitable. Okay. So I'm going to show you that. And you can also use this to get rid of scammers, because whoever tells you that they can trade, tell them to link their account to MyFxBook, the trading journal. Let them link it and send you the link. Then you can see. So whichever trading account that they have been trading, especially the one that shows their trading account for the past 3 months, you can see it from there. So if you link it and they show you, you can see. If you see that they are more in losses than in profit, then you should know that's the same thing that would happen to your account when you give it to them. So whether you are copying their trades or whether it's a palm account where you invest your money and then you have access to it, you can withdraw, but then they have access to only be trading with that account. They can't make withdrawals. or whichever type of investment you want to do with them, they should send you the MyFxBook link of their journal. So once they send it and they connect that account, you can see it yourself there, just the way I will be showing you for today. So you are here now. Under your portfolio, you've clicked add account. It will bring you up here. You are going to select the type of trading platform that you are using. So you can have the MetaTrader 4. The live update is the one that is paid. That means they can update it every 1 hour. That's not what you are after. You don't trade every 1 hour. Don't be compelled. Even though it's paid, you don't need this thing to be updated every hour. Why I am saying that is because if you are taking a trade, you want to see, you take a loss, you want to come and refresh again to be seen, you are just distracting yourself. It is good even for you to check this graph every week, which means that after a whole trading week, you come and check your performance. Because in trading, you don't have opportunities every day. So it might be in a whole week, you only have 2 opportunities. So what do you need this graph to be updated every hour for? So you don't need the live update. So for the platform that I am going to choose, you can see the auto update, either MT5 or MT4. The auto update is what you should be selecting. It will automatically update everything by itself, but it happens once in 24 hours. Okay, and it's not that if it updates by 6 a.m. today, then tomorrow will be 6 a.m. again. They may decide to do it by 9 p.m. the next day again. So just take like 1 or 2 days, they will surely refresh it. Okay, you are not in a haste. That is it. Just after taking trades for the whole week, you can come and check your performance. That is the essence of a journal. It's not for you to be checking a journal every 1 hour. So these live updates where you have to pay them is of no use. So I am going to select MetaTrader 4 because all the 500 account and the $12 account, they are all on MetaTrader 5. I have done that. The process is simply the same. Just that some platforms that you may be using, you are used to MT4. So I'm doing it for both people that want to do it on MT4 and MT5. The process is simply the same. If you are using MT5, select MetaTrader 5 auto update here. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use MetaTrader 4 for the copy trading account. So this is for like an account that I'm doing copy trading and others are copying my trades using it. So most times it's on MT4. They do that. That's why I'm showing you this one. So click on MetaTrader 4 auto update. So you can see it over here. You see them trying to advertise the live update for you. That's not what we are after. Now give it a name. So you can give it any name. For this one, copy trading account. So it's a copy trading account. So let me say 50 USD to 10K USD. You can see it over here. Now I am going to select the broker. You have many brokers. Your broker should appear here. Whatever type of broker, except your broker is not common, but it's like almost all brokers are here. There's Bybit that recently started Forex trading. The broker is even here. Xness is here. So I don't think your broker will not be here. Your broker will be here. Click on the select broker and select the broker. You can simply type it. So if it's Xness you are looking for, you can type, you can see it's Xness. If it is Bybit you are looking for, you can see Bybit. So I am going to HF Markets. So HF Markets, that's the broker that I am using. Now you are going to check whether is it the demo server. It's not the demo server, it's the real server that I am going to use. So it's HF Markets SF Live Server 7. So HF Market SF Live Server 7. Look at it under here. So you have to specify all of these things. It's just as if you are connecting to MT4. So the information you need for connecting to MT4 is just like what you are going to enter, this broker and this server. Now the account number is just like the login number that you use to connect to your MT4. 66. That's my login number, or just your account number. You see it on your MT4 account. So I'm going to show you on the mobile how to find it on your MT4 account when I come to change the investor's password. If you don't have the investor's password, this is the process where you are going to do. Some brokers may not even show you how to get your investor's password, but it is very easy. Whether they don't show you, I'm going to show you through this process. Okay, so I am going to switch over to the mobile version right now and show you how you can get your account number and also how you can change your investor's password. This is my phone. Head over to either MT5 or your MT4. So for this purpose, it is MT4. So I'm going to go over to the top left hand corner. So you click these three stripes at the top left hand corner, click it, go to manage accounts. So you can see this is the account. This is a cent account. So it is $57, not $5,700. So it's US cents. Okay, so you go over there. We need the account number. So the account number is this number you are seeing, this 66198921. That was what I entered earlier. So we also need the investor's password. Head over to the top right hand corner here, close to this plus button that you are seeing. So just at the top here, there's a plus button. At the side, these three dots here, that's the options. We click on it. It will pop up this option of change master password and change investor password. So every broker is supposed to give you this option. If they don't give you, you can simply change the investor's password directly from your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. So we want to change the investor's password, whether they have given you or not. Just click on the change investor password. So click on change investor password. You are going to enter your current password for this particular account when you want to connect this account to MT4 or MT5. Like, what password do you use? That is your master password. Is that password that if somebody has, he can use it to trade your account. He can use it to take trades. But we are not after the master's password. You just need this master's password to confirm that you have the authority to change the investor's password. So I am going to enter the master password. Then I will just set any new investor password. If you are going to give this out to your investor, make sure that the master password and the investor password is not the same, because if it's the same and they have access to your master account, they can trade the account, they can blow your account. That's just it. Okay, so I am going to enter my current master password. I will hide everything, the new investor's password, just for the purpose of this video. So for the new investor password, just make something simple for the investor or for anybody that will use the investor password. They cannot really trade with it. It's just to check the performances. They can't alter anything in the account. And from what they are doing, they want you to use alphanumeric, which is alphabets, numbers, and it should have lowercase, uppercase, and at the same time, it should have other symbols. So I'm going to show that how to combine them. So you can use A as the small letter, another capital A, then any symbol. Let's say you can use hash. So you have small a, capital A, hash. Then we can it should have numbers. So you can put 1, let's say 0, 0, 0. So that's 1000. Now repeat the same thing, small a, capital A, then hash, and then we have 1 0 0 0. Good. So it's the same as this. Once you have done this, click on next, that is below. So you see we have changed our investor's password for this particular account that has 66198921 as the login number. Click on OK. So now I am going back to show you. We are going to include that investor's password there currently now in our MyFxBook. So we are here now in MyFxBook. Remember, you saw this account number that I included. That is what you saw on MetaTrader 504. Now we are going to the investor's password that we just created. So small a, capital A, then we have hash. You have hash, then you have 1000. So after that, you click on create your account. It's going to connect to that account right now, and it will fetch every information from the very first day you started trading in that account. Is going to fetch every information and then begin to put the graphs for you to see whether you have been a profitable trader or not from the very first day that you started trading that particular trading account. Okay. So you remember, if you register on Xnest now with one email, you can have like 10 different trading accounts. So each trading account is peculiar. Depending on the account number, you can all see their performances differently. So it is showing us that the account has been created successfully. Go back to this portfolio over here. You can see the account will appear here. So I'm going to click on it to see all the performances of the account. You will see it over here. Okay, so the account has loaded. You can see that for the broker is showing HF markets here. The leverage is 1 to 5 and the platform is MetaTrader 4, and it is a cent account, is a cent. See it, US cent. So whether this is a real account, you will know if it is a real account because it is shown here automatically. You will know if it's a real account and not a demo. If it's a demo, you will see it over there. And then this trading privileges shows that if it is green, it means the person is actually the one that is trading that account. That person has the ability to take trades on that account. And the only way for this thing to be green for you, these trading privileges, is for you to verify. So you have to verify. For MyFxBook to know that you have the right to trade on that account and to confirm it, you are going to change. They will give you a new investor password, and you copy that investor password and change it directly on your own MT5 or MT4. If you're able to do that, they will know it here and they will make this to be green, and they will show you that, okay, yes, you are able to trade that account. So you are the real person trading that account, so that someone will not just scam you. The way I've shown you guys my account number, the person may just send that of another person. Okay, so let me go and verify now. Let me go and verify. What you do to verify this is go to settings. I'm going to click on settings. So we'll come back here again. Good. So you can select and just update your account. Is it technical or fundamental that you use? Okay. If it's technical or fundamentals means you are using news to trade. Technical means you use technical analysis. You select it. The trading type, are you doing manually or you are using robots? I do manual trades. This account type, you can't change. They have known is real. And the leverage, they know the leverage on the account. You can't change it either. Just go to connection. So you can see it here. You need to verify. You click on this verify. So they will give you a new investor password. So click on verify. This is the investor password that they are giving me. I'm going to copy this, click and drag, click Ctrl C if you are using Windows. Now, this is what I am going to include in my MetaTrader 4. I will show you guys right now. So I am going to copy that and bring it to this account. So let it load. So this is the account. At the top right hand corner, click to change the investor password. Click change investor password. Investor password that they gave you now, you are going to paste it in this new investor password site now. So once you are done, click next. It has been changed. Okay, it has been changed. So right now, I'll go back to the MyFxBook and tell them I have changed it. So click on verify my account. Once you have included this verification password now, you've added it by changing it, okay? Like the way we did, click on verify my account. Account has been verified successfully. You can now close it now and click save. So for this, let's refresh again. Click on this button to refresh. They may want to show advert. Just scroll down and click on this continue to MyFxBook. They love showing these adverts. I don't know why. So this is it. You can see that the trading privileges has been marked green right now. So it shows we have the right for trading on this account by being able to change that investor password. And you can see everything about the account over here. The gain, the absolute gain on the account, the daily gain, the monthly gain, the drawdown that the account has ever had, and also the balance on the account, the equity on the account. The equity and the balance, when it's closed, you have closed the account, should be the same. But if you have currently in a trade that is open and the equity is higher than the balance, it means you are making profit. If the equity is lower than the balance, it means you are making loss. And what equity is telling you is whenever you close an account, that balance that is in the equity is what becomes your balance. The highest amount you've ever had, this is it, 57 as well. The profit you have made, you see it over here. You can see the growth of this account, this particular account. Okay, this is the copy trading account. You can see the growth, the way it's going. So I'm taking it gradual. For me, I stick to the rules. If I don't see a setup, I don't enter. If you are not patient, you can just remove yourself from my copy trading. It's not a must. That is one thing, because the target is for the end of the year and not now. And what I do is when I start trading, I trade it in a gradual way. So if I'm able to build this $50 to $100, or let's say 5,000 cents to like 10,000 cents, then I begin to take higher lots. But for now, it has to be very small lots that you have to go in with. So this is for the growth. You can click this balance to see the growth of the balance as well, the performance of the balance of the account. You wait for it. You can see it's a continuous process. So if you're a profitable person, you should see this graph should always be climbing upwards the way you are seeing it. It should not be going downwards continuously. When you see it going downwards, immediately you check. Just know that that's not a profitable trader. The profits you have made on the account, and it has been increasing continuously. Any drawdown you have, you see it has been increasing continuously. So under the drawdown, you can see the highest drawdown that's ever been reached is this one, about 4.3% of the account. You will see it over there. Okay, that one is not that important. If there's any drawdown, you can also see it even from the profit or from the balance. So this is what a trade journal is all about, and this one is doing it for you for free. Under this general tab, you can see it over here under the general tab. The broker you are using, the leverage, whether the type of account is a demo or a real account, you see it. These other ones, you added it yourself, but these other ones are taken directly from the account, so you can't manipulate these ones. Whether it's real or the leverage, you can't really manipulate it. When you scroll down, you see under the trading periods, like today, any profit. I'm making this on a Sunday, market has not opened. This week, you can check what amount have you made. This month, what amount have you made. This is a new month. This is 2nd of March 2025. This year is 14% that has been made. This is the profit. So you can see all of it over here. Your win rate, the win rate is 80% of. So you can see it over here, your win rate. How many times out of 100 trades, you will lose 20, you win 80, or out of 10 trades, you win 8 and you lose 2. That's what the win rate means. So you want a win rate that is very high. Even with a win rate of 60% or 55%, so far you are getting 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, you will still be a profitable trader. So if you have any goals that you want to attain, for like daily goals, I don't do those ones. Weekly, I don't do that because you may not have opportunities every week or every day. So you don't do that. I do the monthly goals. So you can click edit and then you will set your goal for the month. Every month, what do you want to be achieving? So this profit, at least, is you should be getting, that's my monthly goal, $100. When you add that, just click save, and that's all. You can now cancel it over here. So you will see your progress as the month goes by. This is a new month, so it's starting afresh. Yearly goal, click edit, and then click add yearly goal. So at the end of the year, I want to have made $10,000. Click save. Good. After that, you click cancel here. So for the yearly goal, I've made 7% of what I want to earn for the whole year. So we are making progress gradually. We are going, we will hit our target. You can see all the trade summaries here. You see them, the longs taking, the number of trades taking, the shorts, the pips. You will see it over here. Average wins, you see average loss, you will see the lot size, all of these, the longs and the best trades. You see all of them here. You can see it here. Okay. These other ones, when you come, you check it yourself. You check them yourself. Just hover over geometric average holding period. Like how long do you hold a trade? Profit factor, how many times can you multiply that profit compared to losses? That's like almost twice. Okay, so the profit, that's I target 1 to 2 always. So sometimes you may not hit it, sometimes you may hit it. So you can see it over here. All of these things, when you want, you just hover over them and you see. You scroll down, they are just the ones forecasting this one based on that before you reach what year, 2035, nobody is reaching that. So as you keep making profit, they keep adjusting these things. So I don't really check this aspect of the forecast. If you have any open trades, you see them over here, the history of all your trades. Click on it. You see all the buys, the sells, the buys, the sells. You see them, what instrument do you trade? You see is GBP USD, Euro USD, mostly GBP USD that I trade. That's what I based on. So as a beginner, focus on one particular thing. You see all of them here. So you can see your monthly analytics. In January, this is what I made. In February, this is what I made. So in March, you can see it has been consistent monthly gain. There is no any drawdown. So every month you are making something. Okay, that's profitability. So you can see all of them over here, right? Now this is for the $50 account, and it is a cent account. For the $500 account, let me come over here. You can see it has the same trading privileges. I've done that already. but this time around is Bybit. You can see the percentage gain, see the growth over here. You can see the balance. See how it's growing, the profit. See how it's growing. Okay, so you want your graph to be going upwards. Okay, you want it. You can come and check it yourself. The links will be in the description box. Anything highest level of drawdown that's ever been had is 0.06 of the account, which is not even significant. Okay, so this year 28% has been made already. Go to goals. You can see for monthly goals, we are in a new month, but if we check that of last month, February, I made 84% of my target for that month. For the year, you can see it over here. Okay. In January, this one, I don't think I started this trade by then. So I've not started the account even I started it in February, and I only traded it for like 1 day just to show a video. And then after that, I left it only to deposit the 500 and started trading it like 1 week plus. Okay, so it's not even up to 2 weeks. So for this particular one now, you can see the statistics, the same thing. You can come and view it yourself, guys. You can come and view it. So when you scroll it, you will see everything here. Now, under this account, you can see if I have an extra account, you can check all of them, the systems that. So this for the $500 account, you can click on it. It will take you there. So any system attached to me, you'll be seeing them over here as well. So you'll be seeing percentage gain on that $12 account. You will see it as well. Okay, so you can also come over to the $12 account. For the $12 account, you see the leverage is 1 to 2,000 is XNES. There's a broker, is still a real account. This one is a regular account in US dollars, not in cents. It's a regular account. So you can see it already. All of the information. The profit is $40 added to it. The current balance stands at 52. Deposit that I've ever made is $12. I've not made any withdrawal on it. You can see all of them here. And the performance of this account, you can see how it should continuously grow. Now let's go to the balance growth. The performance of the balance, look at it, is continuous process. Profit, continuous process. So you can check it yourself. Everything is over here. This year, I've made 300% of it. Profit is this. This is a small account, so any small profit will be that large. But then we are increasing the lots as we approach 100. So maybe this month, I will want to target $100 to hit it on this account. Depending on how the opportunities present themselves in the market, don't be under pressure to force yourself to meet the target. Stick to your trading plan. So that is all. That's all about the account. Okay. So if you have any question regarding this, let me know. But this video simply shows you how to connect your trading account to a free trading journal online. Free trading journal online. So you can trade and you can see all the performance here of your account. I've shown you how to do that. You can simply click the link in the description. You see the link to the $12 account to 10K, $500 account, $50 account, and you can monitor them there yourself. If you have any question, let me know. Have a nice day. Bye.